Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Learn English with Yasvi. So, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to tell you about British versus American English. So let us begin. First word is flat. Flat is used in British English and apartment that is used in American English. Petrol that is used in British English, gasoline that is used in American English. Biscuit that is used in British English and cookie is used in American English. Luggage British English and baggage is in American English. Rubbish that means British English and trash is used in American English. Dustbin British English, trash can American English. Coriander that means British English and cilantro that means American English. Max that means British English and mat that is American English. Holiday British English, vacation American English. Lift British English, elevator American English. And also comment down below that which word you use in your daily life. Tap British English, faucet American English. Zip British English, zipper American English. Film British English, movie American English. Rubber British English, eraser American English. Candy floss British English, cotton candy American English. So tell me that which English you like, British English or American English. Write down in the comment section below. See you soon in the next video.